In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a skill from GitHub to Manus AI. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Manus AI. Then please go ahead and select over here where it says settings. Then what you want to do is you want to go to this left menu and you want to press over here where it says skills. And then from here, we have a bunch of skills that you're able to go ahead and turn on or off, but you can press on this add button right over here in order to add a skill. And you guys have multiple different options. So you could build a skill with Manus, which is absolutely something you're able to do. You can also upload a skill. You can add from official skills that are actually built by Manus themselves, or you guys can go ahead and import from GitHub. So if you want to import a skill from GitHub, please go ahead and select on this, and then you will need to put in the actual skill URL right over here. All right, so let's say we have this skill that we want to add over to Manus AI. I just went ahead and looked up Manus AI GitHub skills. You want to copy this link, then you want to paste it right here, and select on import, and that is going to begin the process. And as you're able to tell, it was able to import it just like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.